Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the workbook in OneDrive for Business or SharePoint Online so Power BI can reach it reliably. Make sure data is structured as a table or named range. This makes the connection stable and refreshable. Once done, verify you have Power BI Pro or Premium Workspace permissions. Without them, you cannot publish or schedule refresh. Now open Power BI Service to start the online connection flow. This direct path avoids downloads and keeps your data live. You'll pick Get Data in the Power BI Service, then Files and the OneDrive/SharePoint option where your workbook lives. Choose Connect Live to keep workbook queries linked to the cloud source. Choose Import only if you need a static snapshot. Next, map the Excel tables to datasets, check and correct data types, and set the refresh frequency. Make sure credentials use OAuth or organizational account so refresh tokens persist. Otherwise, scheduled refresh will fail and break the live connection. You publish the report into the intended workspace and immediately test visuals and a manual refresh to confirm connectivity. If something goes wrong, first reauthorize credentials in dataset settings and confirm file permissions in SharePoint or OneDrive. Many failures are permission-related. Use the dataset refresh history to inspect error messages. That points to missing tables, renamed ranges, or credential issues. Finally, only set up an on-premises gateway when your Excel is on a local server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.